India remains an agricultural country, though its share in the GDP has declined significantly. Two-thirds of the population depends on agriculture directly or indirectly for livelihood. India has attained self-sufficiency in food grain production thanks to Green Revolution. India is the first or second largest producer of several agricultural commodities like milk, chilies, wheat, cotton, tea, fruits and vegetables. However, we have not been able to develop a world-class food and agro-processing industry leveraging this potential. India holds the potential to become the food kitchen of the world. The agribusiness sector is witnessing a sea of change after globalization, contract farming, cooperative farming, mega food parks, online trading in agricultural commodities, foreign direct investment in organized retailing are some of the emerging verticals which are going to change the face of agribusiness in India. The new agricultural commodity value chain need a battery of agri-managers to drive them. Kerala Agricultural University is the best agricultural university in the country, which has launched an MBA program way back in 2006 to supply professionally trained managers to the agribusiness sector within a span of 8 years. The MBA Agribusiness Management program has earned the reputation of the industry and student community.
Today, we have Kerala Agriculture University Vice Chancellor Dr. P. Rajendran. Hello, sir.
Hello.
How can MBA PM of Kerala Agriculture University can help agricultural sector in India?
See, as you said, this in fact will help what you call a hybridization of the management principles with technology aspects of agriculture, better applications of agriculture technology in production management. When these two principles combine, definitely the efficiency of agriculture production, then income from agriculture and loss from agriculture in the field, loss of I should say produce from the field or problems in storage and transportation, all these things will be to a greater extent solved. So, as in the case of any other production, whether it is industrial or in other sectors, agriculture also will have the benefit of management principles applied. So, definitely the development of such a curriculum or course and production of graduates or postgraduates in this field will add to the better efficiency of the agricultural production system, apart from adding more to the theoretical corpus of knowledge also.
Sir, finally, what is your vision for the MBA ABM course of Kerala Agriculture University?
My view is that this has to continue and more options have to be given for students for specialization. And your objective should be to help the farmers to get maximum benefit out of agriculture. So, that way your course has to be reoriented, so that you will be able to help the farmers through the better application of management principles. That means, you must be able to help them to improve the infrastructure facilities. You should teach them or train them how to get their loan sanctioned or how to achieve better price through market intelligence, or how to go for price support from the government, how to make a self-help group, how to make a producers company. All these things, when it is materialized, definitely the farmer will have a confidence that they can continue in the field of agriculture. So, obviously, your objective should be to help the farmer and to earn more from agriculture and to keep away the middlemen from exploiting the poor farmers.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for sharing your valuable views with us. Thank you.
Okay,
very
thank
much.
you.
Today we have Dr. A. Sukumaran, Associate Dean, College of Corporation Banking and Management with us. Good morning, sir. Sir, there are different institutions offering MBA all over India. So what do you think is the uniqueness of MBA Agribusiness Management of Kerala Agriculture University?
Agriculture is the lifeline of India. Major share of the national income still comes from agriculture. Around 68% of the population still depends on agriculture. Their contribution to national income is not a meager amount. The farmers are getting not even a sustainable amount from agriculture. This leads to frustration among farmers and they are leaving the field, and majority of the field are kept empty. In such a situation, it is our duty to give some surplus to the farmers and make the production commercially viable. Taking into account all these aspects, we have designed a unique program called MBA in Agribusiness. It is unique by design and prolific in action.
What are the future plan of action for this MBA programs?
Next 20 to 30 years, the major thrust is given by Government of India for food and agribusiness. So we have to be proactive. Every year, minimum 6 lakhs employable graduates are required, especially in the field of agribusiness industry, where altogether in India we are producing 2,000 employable graduates. So there is a wide gap. Our future vision is to give more practical orientation to the students, for which we should have a agribusiness incubation center to be established along with our program. Secondly, we are ready to start an online agribusiness MBA program for those who are in the field and those who are working, and also diploma program for those farmers, and upkeep their technology and blend technology with management. And also we will have separate packages for processing and also for marketing. And these are our few business aim within next 10 years.
Students have shown the excellence in various fields. Indeed, this program aims at providing professional graduates, especially from Kerala Agriculture University and other universities, with potential in entrepreneurship as well as in managerial activities. Thank you.
I am Neharaj. I am from MBA 2012 batch. I am very proud to be a part of this course. I have undergone a thorough change in my attitude and personality after joining this program. MBA ABM is a unique program which empowers students with knowledge, skills and attitude, which makes them fit for life and industry. And also we are gifted with eminent personalities as our faculties who are experts in their field. MBA ABM students are exposed to industry through conferences, workshops and seminars which we organize and we attend. The agribusiness sector is in the trial of transformation. Newer and newer verticals are emerging. Huge investments are taking place. So the sector needs an army of agribusiness managers and entrepreneurs to drive this new vertical. So I am very hopeful that I am the part of this transformation. Thank you.
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, made a statement that everything else can wait but agriculture. But the Green Revolution unleashed in the 1960s made India self-sufficient in food grains production. Green Revolution failed to integrate the production system with backward and forward linkages. If agriculture is to be sustainable and profitable to the farmers in the long run, it is to be approached as a business. It is to be approached as a business enterprise which gives good return to the farmers on their investment. A lot of things are happening in the agribusiness sector. The agribusiness sector is on a roll. Some of the mega trends that emerge in the agribusiness sector are contract farming, corporate farming, mega food parks, online spot and futures trading, FDI in organized retailing. And these mega trends are going to transform agribusiness on a big scale. See, these new verticals require a large number of, a battery of, an army of agri entrepreneurs and agri managers to drive the value chains. It was to meet the human capital requirements of the emerging agribusiness sector that Kerala Agriculture University, the best agriculture university in the country, started the MBA Agribusiness Management program in 2006. And the MBA Agribusiness Management program offered by Kerala Agriculture University is a unique program. First of all, we give admission to the program on the basis of entrance test. Only those students with 60% marks from SSLC to degree qualify for this degree program. The courseware of this program is designed by doyens of the agribusiness industry as well as professors from premier national management institutes. The faculty of this program composed of internal faculty as well as guest faculty with vast experience, industry exposure and cutting edge expertise. We provide the students opportunity to acquire skills in business plan, preparation, entrepreneurship, analytics, heuristics and the like. The students are given continuous exposure to the industry by conducting workshops, seminars, symposium, industrial visits and farm visits. The students are encouraged to attend national level conferences and symposia related to agribusiness. We have smart classrooms which are air conditioned and also which have Wi-Fi connection. the students have to do 2 projects, a minor project and a major project during this 2nd semester and the 4th semester. This gives the students hands-on experience. They get an opportunity to understand the real life management situations and they get ready for the industry. Agribusiness is on the roll, and India require around 2,500 agribusiness managers every year, and presently in the country we have only facilities to groom only 1,500 agri managers every year. Therefore, the MBA program started by Kerala Agricultural University holds great potential for students who pursue a career in agribusiness management. Agribusiness management is all seasons business. It is every man's business and it holds great potential.
Classrooms. Our MBA program has fully air-conditioned smart classrooms equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity, dish TV connection and acoustic system. Communication Lab and Information Technology Center, a state-of-the-art communication lab with advanced language software, was established to improve the English language and communication skills of students. The lab facilitates 20 students at a time to empower themselves with English language usage and to build confidence in interpersonal communication.
Hi friends, meet our international student, Juan and Clement. Hi Juan, hi Clement.
Hi, we are from Rwanda in Africa.
How do you came to know about Kerala Agricultural University?
Yes, I came to know about this program and the course in particular through the Ministry of Agriculture and Animal Resources of our country. It was through the project called RSSP, which is under that ministry. So after passing some interviews, I have been selected, and that's how I got the scholarship.
What is your opinion about our course?
As far as this course is concerned, it's very competent. Like Clement said, the infrastructures are comfortable and helps us in learning well. And I would say that the faculty is well managed. We have the best teachers, we have the best director, we are well taught in class. On top of that, we have so many people coming from outside to share with us the practical part of business administration of agribusiness. And I would say that in our country, we have so many MSc in agribusiness, and we want people who will actually manage those productivity that are coming up now, because now everything is doubling because of many MSCs in agribusiness. Food processing is coming up and all that, so we need people who are going to manage such companies that are coming up. Hence we were sent here, and we are so certain we are going to get the required knowledge to do that.
Conference hall equipped with fully air-conditioned and ergonomically designed hall with state-of-the-art facilities such as LCD projector, LED TV, world-class audio system, ambient lighting condition which provide the right ambience for thought-provoking discussions.
we have at Kerala Agriculture University an innovative MBA program. In fact, our MBA program tries to collaborate with the private sector and address the emerging challenges that are taking place in the world, like the liberalization and its impact. Now we are basically aiming to prepare the students to meet the managerial requirements of the second green revolution, which we are aiming at it in India. Our MBA graduates are getting a lot of field exposure, and they are they will be ready to serve the areas where the agricultural knowledge, the skill component, as well as the areas in which more practical oriented nature, like agriculture marketing, agriculture financing, such areas, they have been given very hands-on experience in these areas. Our graduates, last year we had some of the leading financial institutions like IDBI Bank, ICICI Bank, Federal Bank, South Indian Bank. All these leading banks recruited our graduates, plus the other companies like Harrison's Malayalam, and many other companies have been recruiting our graduates.
Our library. Here we enter into the world of knowledge, one of the most useful learning resources available in the whole university. Library has a tremendous panorama of books on various disciplines. The library is having high-speed wireless internet connectivity, facility for e-learning, research thesis, and have colossal collection of journals.
Agriculture University MBA is a unique program. It offers dual programs, HR, finance, marketing. The mission of the university is not only to provide employment, but also to make entrepreneurs. This university has provided excellent opportunities to students to become management professionals. The students have received campus recruitment from commercial banks, including Bank of Scotland, HDFC Bank, Federal Bank, Axis Bank.
Apart from the regular academic activities, our MBA course is perfectly blended with innovative and informative activities including group discussions, debates, business quizzes, case discussions on business news. These make learning an interesting and seamless activity for the students. The unique farm visit program and industrial visits help our students to get more closer and to be more practical towards agri-business. The college is conducting Leadership Wisdom Talk series, in which the students are provided with unique opportunity of interacting with industrial legends every month. Our MBA program is not only focusing on academic activities, we are considering social as well as environmental activities too. Our college is taking initiatives in coordination with NSS unit in organizing social activities such as blood donation camps and various health awareness programs. Our college is a pioneering institution in organizing national level seminars. Our latest installment to this program was in 2013. We conducted a 2-day national seminar on contours of Indian banking.
I was the student of MBA Agribusiness Management of this prestigious institution during the year 2011-12. This unique program, which is offered only by Kerala Agriculture University. These 2 years helped me a lot in molding me as a creative professional in my career at Federal Bank. This college is blessed with excellent faculties who have wide exposure in their discipline. We got a good number of opportunities to participate in workshops and seminars. I am very proud to say that I gained a lot from this college, and the skills and experiences helped me to work with commitment and excellence in my banking career.
College Instructional Consumer Store. The MBA students have the unique opportunity to groom their entrepreneurial skill through Instructional Consumer Store initiated by the college. Provide us a unique opportunity to get hands-on experience in running a business and develop our entrepreneurial skills and talents.
Hello, I am Dinesh Rajiv. I had been a student of MBA 2011 batch. I had many memorable experiences during the period of study in our college. I had the privilege to be the class representative of the course during the first year, and it helped me to develop my leadership skills. I also got the opportunities to take part in the organization of many seminars and workshops conducted by our college, which helped me hone my organizational and technical skills. I had also got selected as a management trainee in the Pest Management Division of Century Plyboards Limited in the campus selection. The program is blessed with many faculties who have very wide exposure and intensive knowledge. Thank you.
Hi, I am Bhushan Mohan Narkar from Maharashtra. I am studying in Kerala Agriculture University in the College of Corporation Banking and Management. I am doing in MBA Agribusiness and I am in final year, and I am coming to know this college about the through the ICR, Indian Council of Agriculture Research, I given the ICR exam and got the selection to this college. I am very proud to be here to doing this MBA. Thank you.
The MBA program of KAU is built to change the DNA of agribusiness in India by meeting the human capital needs of the fast-growing food and agribusiness sector in the country. Within a short span of time, KAU MBA has become a brand esteemed and admired by the industry.